What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. How are you guys doing? In today's video we are going to be looking at how we can use else statements with for loops. So in order to show you, I'll make a new Python file right here and I'll name this Python file as else underscore for. So basically guys, if we have a list and I'll name this list as food, so food is equal to, and then I'll put pizza, pasta and burger into it. So I put three items inside this list: pizza, pasta and burger. And if I run a for loop on it, I can write for item in food, and then I can print those items. So you guys know that this will print pizza, pasta and burger one by one. Why? Because the item, it acts as a list iterator right here. When I run a for loop, the item, it goes to pizza, after that it goes to pasta, and then it goes to burger. So we know that a for loop has ran successfully when it goes from pasta to burger in a flow. For example, if it breaks at pasta, it has not ran in a good flow and it has broken at some point. And you know guys that we can exit from a for loop with the help of a break keyword. So for example, if I put if conditional right here, that if item is equal to pasta, you have to break the for loop. So in that case, the for loop, it won't run completely, that is, it won't go from the first element to the last element, it will break from here. So that's why guys, if you want to know that your for loop has ran completely or not, you can put an else statement here. You can write else print this for loop ran successfully. So you can write that, and if you run this program, as you can see that it will print pizza, pasta, burger, and this for loop ran successfully. But for example, if I put a if statement right here, if I write if item is equal to pasta, so if I write if item is equal to pasta, and if I write break right here, and for example, if I run this program, as you can see that it is going to print pizza, and then it is going to break. It won't print this for loop ran successfully. Why? Because guys, it broke from this point, that is the pasta point. If you break a for loop from the middle of the list, it is not going to print this statement, and basically it is just going to terminate the program. So that's why guys, if you want to validate something that this for loop is running successfully, so I'll have to print this statement, you can put an else statement after the for loop. And now I'll show you another example, that is, if you want to search something for a list, you can print inside it that the item was not found in the list. And as you can see that if I run this program, it is not going to print that the item was not found in the list, because it is going to get pasta right here. But for example, if I write tomato, and if I run this program again, as you can see that it is going to print that the item was not found in the list. It means that if the item is not tomato, it is never going to break, right? So that's why it's going to print and run the for loop successfully from the first item to the last item, and then it will go inside the else statement and print that the item was not found in the list. So I hope guys that you understood this concept of using the else statement with the for loop. If you understood it, please like, share and subscribe this video. If you haven't accessed my Python playlist, the link will be in the description. Please make sure that you do. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you're safe, and I'll see you next time.